Welcome to this geometry tutorial on finding the area of a sector. If you've ever wondered how to calculate the size of a pizza slice or a piece of pie, you are in the right place. Today, we will break down the formula step by step so you can understand exactly how it works. First, let's define what we are talking about. A sector is simply a portion of a circle. It is enclosed by two radii, which are lines from the center to the edge, and an arc, which is the curved edge. The easiest way to visualize this is to think of a single slice of a round pizza. That slice is a sector. To calculate the area, we need to know two specific things about our sector. First, the radius, represented by the letter r, which is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge. Second, the central angle, represented by the Greek letter theta. This tells us how wide our slice is. We also have the arc, which is the curved outer edge. Here is the big secret to understanding this topic. The area of a sector is just a fraction of the total circle's area. We are simply taking a part over the whole and multiplying it by the total size of the circle. Let's see how we write that mathematically. First, we need to find what fraction of the circle our sector represents. We know that a full circle is 360 degrees. Our sector has an angle of theta. So, the fraction is simply theta divided by 360. If theta was half the circle, this fraction would be 1/2. Next, we need the area of the full circle. You might remember this classic formula. Area equals pi times the radius squared. This gives us the total amount of space inside the entire circle if it were complete. Now we combine those two parts. To get the area of the sector, we take our fraction, theta over 360, and multiply it by the total area, pi r squared. This formula logically says, take the total area and keep only this specific fraction of it. Let's try an example with numbers. Suppose we have a sector with a radius of 10 centimeters and a central angle of 90 degrees. We plug these into our formula. 90 divided by 360 simplifies to 1/4. 10 squared is 100, so we have 1/4 times 100 pi, which equals 25 pi. That is approximately 78.54 square centimeters. Here is another example. The radius is 7 meters and the angle is 60 degrees. 60 divided by 360 is 1/6. 7 squared is 49. So our area is 1/6 of 49 pi. This comes out to approximately 25.66 square meters. Before you go, watch out for these common mistakes. First, make sure you are using the radius, not the diameter. If you are given the diameter, divide it by 2. Second, don't forget to square the radius in the formula. It is r squared, not just r, and finally, always put your angle on top of the fraction and 360 on the bottom. To summarize, finding the area of a sector is straightforward. Just remember it is the fraction of the circle times the total area. The formula is theta divided by 360 degrees multiplied by pi r squared. Thanks for learning with us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.